Make a great choice today with the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.